where families grow. For your child, you need to know. Expert care with heart so true. Sunrise Pediatrics is here for you. Sunrise Pediatrics, come and see. Helping children stay healthy. Trust their team, don't delay. For a healthy, happy way.
Welcome to Sunrise Pediatrics, with convenient locations at 3061 South Maryland Parkway, with hours of operation Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Saturday 8 a.m. to noon. 7875 South Rainbow Boulevard, with hours of operation Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. 7200 Smoke Ranch Road, with hours of operation Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. 1701 North Green Valley Parkway, with hours of operation Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. We offer the following services: well checks, vaccinations, sick visits, circumcision, lactation program, ADHD management, asthma program. When it comes to your child's health, knowing when to call your pediatrician can make all the difference. Contact your pediatrician immediately if your child has a fever of 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit, 38 degrees Celsius, or higher in a baby under 3 months old, has a persistent fever over 104 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Celsius, in older children, or a fever lasting more than 3 days, is having trouble breathing, wheezing, or breathing very fast, has seizures, especially if it's the first time, shows signs of dehydration, like dry mouth, no tears when crying, or fewer than 3 wet diapers a day, has vomiting or diarrhea that lasts more than a day or includes blood, develops a rash with a fever, or one that's rapidly spreading or painful, is unusually sleepy, irritable, or unresponsive, has a cut, burn, or injury that may need stitches or shows signs of infection, swallowed something potentially harmful or poisonous. You should also call if your child missed a dose of a critical medication, you have questions about developmental milestones or behavior, something just doesn't feel right, and you're worried. Remember, you know your child best. When in doubt, it's always okay to call. Your pediatrician is your partner in keeping your child safe, healthy, and thriving.
In Vegas, where families grow. For your child, you need to know. Expert care with heart so true. Sunrise Pediatrics is here for you. Sunrise Pediatrics, come and see. Helping children stay healthy. Trust their team, don't delay. For a healthy, happy way.
At Sunrise Pediatrics, your child's health is our top priority. That's why we follow the American Academy of Pediatrics guidelines to ensure your child receives the best care, starting with regular well visits. Well visits are more than just a quick checkup. They're a vital part of your child's overall health. From birth through adolescence, these visits help track growth, monitor development, and prevent future health problems before they start. During a well visit, our compassionate providers do more than just physical exams. We review your child's medical history, offer vaccinations, assess emotional and behavioral health, and answer any questions you might have. It's a partnership focused on keeping your child healthy, safe, and thriving. These visits are also key opportunities to catch developmental delays early, manage chronic conditions, and provide guidance on nutrition, sleep, learning, and safety. Sunrise Pediatrics, personalized professional care when your child needs it most.
In Vegas, where families grow, for your child, you need to know. Expert care with heart so true. Sunrise Pediatrics is here for you. Sunrise Pediatrics, come and see, helping children stay healthy. Trust their team, don't delay, for a healthy, happy way.
At Sunrise Pediatrics, we know there's nothing more important than your child's health, especially when they're not feeling their best. That's why our team offers same-day sick visits, designed to get your child seen quickly and cared for with compassion and expertise. From fevers and sore throats to coughs, rashes, and stomach bugs, our board-certified pediatricians follow trusted American Academy of Pediatrics guidelines to diagnose and treat a wide range of illnesses. When you call early, we do our best to schedule a same-day appointment for urgent sick visits. We also accept walk-ins for established patients every day until 30 minutes before close, for added convenience and to ensure that your child is taken care of. If needed, we can run quick in-office tests to help us get answers fast, so you're not left guessing. We'll walk you through what's going on, explain next steps clearly, and provide treatment options that make sense for your child. We're here to help your little one feel better, so you can both rest a little easier. Sunrise Pediatrics, personalized professional care when your child needs it most.
In Vegas, where families grow, for your child, you need to know. Expert care with heart so true. Sunrise Pediatrics is here for you. Sunrise Pediatrics, come and see, helping children stay healthy. Trust their team, don't delay, for a healthy, happy way.
At Sunrise Pediatrics, we care about your child's health and well-being. One of the most important steps you can take to protect your child is ensuring they receive their vaccinations on time. Vaccines are a safe and effective way to protect your child from serious illnesses like measles, mumps, whooping cough, and even the flu. They work by helping the body build immunity, so your child can fight off diseases before they become a threat. The CDC recommends a vaccination schedule that starts in infancy and continues through adolescence. Sticking to this schedule helps keep your child, your family, and our entire community safe. We understand that as a parent, you may have questions. Our team at Sunrise Pediatrics is here to provide answers, guidance, and the highest level of care. We want you to feel confident in your decision to vaccinate your child. Let's work together to give your child a healthy start in life. Schedule your child's vaccination appointment today at Sunrise Pediatrics, because protecting their future starts now. Schedule an appointment today.
In Vegas, where families grow, for your child, you need to know. Expert care with heart so true. Sunrise Pediatrics is here for you. Sunrise Pediatrics, come and see. Helping children stay healthy. Trust their team, don't delay. For a healthy, happy way.
Welcome to Sunrise Pediatrics, where your child's health is our top priority. Today, we're discussing infant circumcision, a decision many parents face shortly after birth. So, what is circumcision? Circumcision is a surgical procedure that removes the prepuce, the skin covering the tip of the male genitalia. It's typically performed within the first few days of life and takes only a few minutes in a clinical setting. The American Academy of Pediatrics states that the health benefits of newborn male circumcision outweigh the risks, but the benefits are not great enough to recommend routine circumcision for all newborns. So what are the potential benefits? Research shows circumcision can reduce the risk of urinary tract infections in infancy, lower the chance of some infections, including HIV, decrease the risk of cancer of the male genitalia, although this is already rare. Prevent prepuce-related problems, such as phimosis or inflammation. Like any medical procedure, there are also risks. These include minor bleeding or infection, pain or irritation at the surgical site. In very rare cases, more serious complications. At Sunrise Pediatrics, our team is here to help you make an informed decision. We'll talk you through the procedure, explain pain management options, and answer any questions you may have, always with compassion and care.
In Vegas, where families grow, for your child, you need to know. Expert care with heart so true. Sunrise Pediatrics is here for you. Sunrise Pediatrics, come and see. Helping children stay healthy. Trust their team, don't delay. For a healthy, happy way.
Welcome to Sunrise Pediatrics, where your family's health starts with trusted care and compassionate support. If you're expecting a baby, recently delivered, or navigating the early weeks of parenthood, you might have questions about breastfeeding. That's why we offer our comprehensive lactation program, designed to empower you with knowledge, confidence, and expert help every step of the way. According to the American Academy of Pediatrics, exclusive breastfeeding is recommended for about the first 6 months of life, followed by continued breastfeeding alongside the introduction of solid foods for at least 1 year or longer. Breastfeeding offers vital health benefits, helping protect your baby from infections, allergies, and even chronic conditions like asthma and obesity. And for mothers, it can support physical recovery, reduce postpartum bleeding, and lower the risk of certain cancers. At Sunrise Pediatrics, we understand that breastfeeding doesn't always come easily. Our lactation consultants are certified professionals who provide personalized, one-on-one guidance. Whether you're learning how to latch, managing milk supply, addressing pain, or simply looking for reassurance, we offer both in-office and virtual consultations, ensuring every family can access care that's convenient, culturally sensitive, and built around their unique needs. Our goal? To make sure you feel supported, informed, and never alone on your breastfeeding journey. Let Sunrise Pediatrics be your partner in nurturing healthy beginnings.
In Vegas, where families grow, for your child, you need to know. Expert care with heart so true. Sunrise Pediatrics is here for you. Sunrise Pediatrics, come and see, helping children stay healthy. Trust their team, don't delay, for a healthy, happy way.
At Sunrise Pediatrics, we understand that every child is unique, and so are their challenges. One of the most common concerns we help families navigate is attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, or ADHD. ADHD is a neurodevelopmental condition that affects a child's ability to focus, control impulses, and manage energy levels. It's not just about being distracted or hyper. It's a medical condition that requires thoughtful care. That's why we follow evidence-based guidelines from the American Academy of Pediatrics to ensure your child receives the highest standard of care. So, what does ADHD management look like at Sunrise Pediatrics? First, it starts with a comprehensive evaluation. We take the time to listen to parents, teachers, and caregivers, and we use validated tools to understand your child's behavior in different settings. ADHD can't be diagnosed with a quick test. It's a careful process that includes a full medical history, behavioral checklists, and sometimes input from school professionals. Once a diagnosis is made, we create a personalized treatment plan tailored to your child's needs. For preschool-aged children, the AAP recommends behavior therapy as the first line of treatment. We'll work with you and refer you to trusted behavioral specialists who use proven strategies to help improve focus and reduce impulsive behavior. For school-age children and teens, a combination of behavioral therapy and medication is often the most effective approach. If medication is recommended, we carefully select options based on your child's health, symptoms, and lifestyle, and we monitor closely for effectiveness and side effects. We believe in transparency and collaboration. Our goal is to empower families with knowledge and support every step of the way. ADHD management isn't a one-time visit. It's an ongoing journey. That's why we schedule regular follow-ups, work with schools for classroom support, and adjust the treatment plan as your child grows. At Sunrise Pediatrics, we're more than a clinic. We're your partners in helping your child thrive. If you think your child may have ADHD, schedule a consultation today. We're here to listen, guide, and support your family with care you can trust. Sunrise Pediatrics. Growing healthy together.
In Vegas, where families grow, for your child, you need to know. Expert care with heart so true. Sunrise Pediatrics is here for you. Sunrise Pediatrics, come and see, helping children stay healthy. Trust their team, don't delay, for a healthy, happy way.
Welcome to Sunrise Pediatrics Las Vegas, where your child's health comes first. If your child has asthma, we're here to help them breathe easier. Our comprehensive asthma program is built on the trusted guidelines of the American Academy of Pediatrics, designed to give your family the knowledge, tools, and support to manage asthma with confidence. What is asthma? Asthma is a chronic lung condition that causes inflammation and narrowing of the airways. For children, that can mean coughing, wheezing, shortness of breath, or tightness in the chest, especially during play, at night, or when exposed to triggers like allergens, cold air, or exercise. With the right care, asthma can be well controlled, and kids can live active, healthy lives. At Sunrise Pediatrics, our asthma program focuses on early diagnosis, personalized treatment, and long-term management. Every child receives a detailed asthma action plan, tailored to their unique needs, regular checkups and lung function assessments, education on proper inhaler use and medication management, guidance to identify and avoid common asthma triggers, emergency care planning, so you're prepared when it matters most. We believe in family-centered care. That means we take time to listen, answer your questions, and include you in every step of the process. Our goal is to empowering you and your child to understand asthma and control it, rather than letting it control your lives. Sunrise Pediatrics is proud to serve the Las Vegas community with a compassionate team that follows the latest pediatric standards. We're not just treating symptoms, we're building long-term wellness. Whether it's your child's first diagnosis or ongoing care, we're here for every breath, every milestone, and every moment in between. If you think your child may have asthma, or if you're looking for expert support, contact Sunrise Pediatrics Las Vegas today. Together, we'll help your child breathe easier and thrive.